what kind of dark forces you think we're guarding the stables from?
Big smelly ogres?
Fire monsters?
Ghosts?
Ghosts aren't real. What if it's aliens? Ah! Leaf! Greetings.
Whatever Layla and Isabel were so worried about, it can't be that bad if we've got Leaf. Have you seen my saddle?
No, I lost it in the kitchen.
Last time I saw it, it was heading towards the stables.
That's not good.
This is new.
And highly irregular.
Rory! Ava! They're back!
No ground! No ground!
Ava!
Oh no!
Whoa! Thanks. Oh, you won, Leaf.
What's up? Besides us.
Our anxiety levels!
Storm? I'm coming, girl! Storm, where are you? Whoa! Storm, are you okay? You're the one doing all this?
Boo! Ah!
Did it work? Did I scare the hiccups out of you?
You did not.
What's happening up there?
It's Storm!
She has
The Hiccups!
unicorn hiccups, of course. They mess with a unicorn's powers.
So, Storm's wind magic is going berserk when she hiccups?
That's why we've been seeing all the weird floaty stuff.
So what's the cure? I haven't read that far.
Seriously? Everyone knows the cure to unicorn hiccups is Skyberry tea!
She knows we're not in a cafe, right?
Check Cinder's stall!
Whoa! Whoa!
The teapot! Oh no!
Gotcha! Here you go, girl. It'll help. We did it!
No more floating!
No more floating!
Nice job, Val! Everyone okay in here? Okay? I want to go again!
Turns out Storm was just a little under the weather.
Zelaria polymorpha, more commonly known as dead man's fingers. Similar to the truffle, but it is...
Ugh, gross.
The correct answer is inedible.
Excellent, Valentina. This flora is all native to Unicorn Island. It is vital to identify which are poisonous, which are magical, and which make a great frittata.
Frittata.
Huh. Okay, was that magic or allergies?
This one's magic. The book says it can boost a unicorn's endurance.
Watch out, that's poisonous!
Amateurs. The poisonous one has 3 petals, not 5.
Wait, which one is poisonous?
A true unicorn rider will be able to identify each plant on this chart. Layla and Ava completed their work. Now, I expect you all to do so by the end of class.
Miss Fury, there's been an invasion. Fluffhoppers got into the pantry and made off with your skyberries.
No, not again. My pie. Have your charts ready when I return. You're in charge.
Huh?
Huh?
Clearly she meant me. A fury for a fury. Until my aunt gets back, what I say goes. I'm not letting anyone take my grade point average.
Why do you always look at me?
Come on, people, plant time now!
Huh?
Are you using a colored pencil? What are we, in kindergarten? Start over!
Oh.
Use tweezers, you animal! Don't sit so close.
Get as close as I want.
Focus! Is that what you call checking off a box? Stay within the lines! Kindergartners!
Why don't you stay within your lines, Val? No one's gonna get any work done if you keep crabbing at us.
Oh, then I'll just have to crab harder. Isabel, why aren't you working?
How am I supposed to think about mold or whatever when it's a perfect day outside?
Isabel's right. I say it's time for a field trip.
No! I'm in charge, and I am telling you, we are not going on a field trip.
The vision pool. The things it showed us. You're right. We must never speak of it.
Hey! You're all wasting time. I told you a field trip was a mistake. If you don't finish your work, my auntie will be...
Check it, Teach. I'm done.
You are?
Yep, we all are. Just need a little fresh air, some sunshine.
And a little less micromanaging.
Sapphires, what are you doing here?
Sorry, Miss Fury. It's just we couldn't focus in the classroom, so Valentina suggested we try learning in the field. And she was right. We finished our charts, just like you asked.
Takes an apt student to know when to listen to their teacher and when to think for themselves. Good work, Val.
Thanks. I guess I was being a little hard on you back in class. I knew a field trip was a good idea. Huh. I've got next turn in the vision pool. What do you think? Twinsies!
Wow, it's so cute, right? Oh, no, not again.
You two have fun. Ava, just try not to let her destroy the place.
No, you wouldn't destroy a fly, would you, little Sherbet?
You named her? She shouldn't even be here, Ava.
Relax, it's just for tonight. We'll take her to find a herd tomorrow.
If she's gonna live in the wild, we should prepare her for the wild.
Don't listen to Auntie Isabel. She's just jealous that you like me more.
We'll teach you how to be a strong, independent unicorn. Then who'll be your favorite? That's right, me. Ugh. We won't be there to feed you in the wild, so you've got to learn how to find skyberries yourself. Now, I've hidden berries around our dorm. Think you can sniff them out? Now who's Sherbet's favorite?
Hey, that's my snack. Hey!
We'll, just get out of your hair.
Aw, there you go, girl. If you wanted cookies, all you had to do was ask me, your favorite pal.
Sure you don't want to train with me instead? Endorphins make you happy.
She's good. Now, Sherbet, would you like to tell Leaf about your hopes and dreams?
How is this helping her?
If Sherbet's gonna find a herd, she needs to know how to socialize.
I don't think unicorns socialize over tea and cookies. Wow, these are good and sweet. How many has she had, Ava?
I don't know, 5, 8.
Who could keep count looking at that widow face?
Sugar rush!
I know how to burn some energy, but we're gonna need more room.
Oh, if Miss Wildwood catches us out here, we're toast!
Sophia told me about Wildwood's weekly chess dates. She's got her hands full with Leviora right now. Bet you feel better, huh, girl?
What's wrong, girl? You want to go back so we can throw you a birthday party, right?
Nah, she just wants more training with her fave coach, right?
She probably wants more cookies from her bestie, right? Come here, girl.
Where'd Sherbet go?
Couldn't you tell? She had to use the little unicorn's room. You're welcome. Ow! Okay, I'm gonna head to bed. Alone?
Guess Sherbet's got a new favorite now.
Look at you go! Who'd have thought that you were born yesterday? Well, this is it, girl. Wonderwood Forest. It's where the wild unicorns live. Your new home. Hey! No Starspark! You're growing up so fast already! We packed you some of your favorites. Skyberries and my cookies. Mwah! Oh no! Fluff hoppers! Oh, it's okay. They just wanted your cookies. They're gone now. Poor girl. Whoa! Did you see that? I think she's gonna have fire magic someday. Maybe you're not ready for the woods just yet, but I know who you can talk to for a little confidence boost.
97, 98, 99, 100.
Val,
Nope, I don't want to know.
Cinder, this little lady is Sherbet, and she's gonna have fire magic just like you. That's why we need your help. You could be like a mentor to her. Help her build her confidence. She was supposed to find a herd today, but she's pretty shaken up. We just got jumped by some fluff hoppers. Not cool, Cinder. Don't you remember being small and scared? Or were you always just a big meanie? gonna love it here, I promise. Thanks, Cinder. Feeling braver now, girl? We'll miss you. All of us.
We will defeat you if it's the last thing we do. You ready, Wildstar? Yeah!
All day riding with you, but I gotta get to magic class. With magic moves like that, though, you should be teaching the class. Huh? Where'd my backpack go? It's not in here. Well, someone must have taken it. And I think I know who.
I'm literally crying. That is too good.
Yeah, real funny. We're all laughing. Now, where's my backpack?
Excuse? Who said anything about a backpack? Cinder and I were remembering when Rory tried to scare us with that dumb ogre mask. But he was the one in for a shock when we lit his sneakers on fire. I can't.
Well, my backpack is missing, and you two are the only ones here, so...
The idea of me swiping anyone's style, let alone yours, is honestly ridiculous. And if I spend any more time defending my good name, my Skyberry tea is gonna get cold. It's cold. Cinder? Thank you, Cinder. Now, if you'll excuse us, Cinder needs his afternoon brushing. Hey! Cinder's care brush, it's gone! Oh, who's the thief now?
What? We didn't take your care brush.
Well, you're the only ones who've been in our stall. Uninvited, I might add. Oh, come on! Where'd you stash it, Mendoza? Give it up!
Hey, quit it! Get off me! Come on, Wildstar. My backpack has to be in here somewhere.
Quit snooping, you snoot!
We will once you give me my backpack.
No, I don't have it!
Do too!
Do not!
Do too!
Do not!
Huh? I don't mean to state the obvious here, but, why and how?
Only one way to find out. After that saddle! Ha! No, stop! That saddle!
How is this happening?
Disappearing magic is an excellent tool for a unicorn rider who requires the element of surprise.
Yay!
The element of surprise has many applications.
Element of surprise. Got it.
How much till class is over?
47 wonderful minutes. You know this is magic class, right? Where we learn about magic.
I prefer to live the magic. Huh? Did you see that?
See what?
Never mind. Must just be tired from my morning workout. Lila! Saddle! Floating! In a very mysterious and not normal way.
Nuh-uh. This has made you look written all over it.
What?
Swamp shifters are so named because of their ability to camouflage themselves when threatened, allowing them to disappear into
Get back here, you saddle!
What the?
Please return to your seats. Now, while a silver mountain...
Come on, we've got to see what's going on.
I am curious. I've never seen flight patterns that irregular for levitation magic. Which means it may not be levitation magic at all. But we can't just skip class.
We're not skipping class. Think of it more as a field trip.
I love field trips.
A perfect example of which is the Battle of the Realms in Night.
Ah! It's not what it looks like.
Thank you, Ghost. And where might you two be going?
Oh, I'm just so excited about your lesson that I wanted to go check out some extra study materials from the library.
And why do you need Ms. Armstrong for that?
Have you ever tried carrying all 12 volumes of the complete encyclopedia of unicorn magic on your own? Not exactly what I'd call light reading.
I'm the Brawn.
Fine, but no lollygagging.
No one's having an adventure without us, right, boy?
Something's fishy around the academy. We gotta go figure it out. Did you hear that? It was probably nothing.
Now where's your saddle? Oh no! Hey, get back here! You scaredy corn. You'll be all right, buddy. Okay, come here. Little help, Riv?
Guys? We've got a situation!
River, come on! I know you're scared, buddy, but I need your help. I can't do this without you. Almost got it. Little to the left. Ah! Ah! My left.
Glacier, your turn! Well, that's not ideal.
Yes, but if they're connected by cheese, that counts as one nacho.